Hi, this is JP LaForest from Studio JPEG. Today I would like to speak about a gem of a website that I just found, and it's called WP Engine, and I'll put a link right here and also in the description. WP Engine is a WordPress hosting website, so you can host either a blog or a corporate website or anything else using WordPress. And although they're a little bit more expensive than some of the other web hosts out there, so they don't have any $3 or $5 a month packages, they more than make up for it. The main selling points for WP Engine is mostly their stability and their speed. So basically their servers are very stable, they're on almost all of the time. So you're not gonna lose any customers because your website is down. And also they are very fast, which means that your pages are gonna load faster, your images are going to load faster, and the customer is not going to get bored and just close your website before everything loads up. And that's a very important thing. They have a service where you can process your website through them, and they tell you how fast your website would be if you switched it over. And I tried that out of curiosity with studiojpeg.com, and they said it would be about 30 to 40% faster if I went with them. So that's really a great improvement. So I had a customer who was having problems with their previous web host, and we talked a bit together, and he decided to go with WP Engine. And what a world of a difference it made for his website. And really, he had a lot of stability issues with the previous host, and all that disappeared with WP Engine. The websites are always on, and really everything works perfectly. And the biggest thing is the speed advantage. The website loads much faster. On the previous host, it would take maybe 10-15 seconds until all the images were loaded on the website. And now with WP Engine, it takes about 2 to 3 seconds. So that's really fast, and it means that as soon as the user gets to your web page, if they see something appearing, they're most likely going to stay and see until everything loads up in 2 to 3 seconds. But if it takes 10-15 seconds until something starts appearing, they'll probably just close the page and go to your competitor. So that's really important. So the loading speed makes a world of a difference. And where WP Engine is really strong in the speed is with the service they call CDN hosting. Basically, they have servers all over the world. And when a customer of yours connects to your website, they find the closest server to that customer, and that's where your website will be provided from. So if you have customers in the US, Japan, China, UK, Italy, and anywhere else in the world, instead of all connecting to a server, let's say, for example, in the States, which would be fast for the residents in the States, Canada, and Mexico, but once you go to customers overseas, it would take them forever to download your website. Well, what they do is they have servers in the States, but also in other parts of the world. So they'll find the closest server to your customer, send your website through there. Everything is done automatically. You don't have to do anything except put a little check mark in Enable CDN, and your website is going to be faster for everybody around the world. And your customers, they don't have to do anything different. They just type your web address as usual. Everything happens behind the scenes. And the only thing they notice is they get to your website extremely fast. So I really recommend that you check them out if you have a blog or website. And again, I'll put the shortcut in the description. And I'll put the link right here again so you can check them out. They do offer a speed test, which I strongly recommend, so you can see how much faster your own personal site would be compared to your current web host. And yeah, give them a try. Their prices are a bit more expensive than other services out there. They don't offer any $2 or $3 or $5 a month plans, but you pay for the quality. And again, that's the stability, and that's also the speed. And one important thing also about the speed is the Google rankings are affected by the speed that your website loads up. So if you have a slow website, you're most likely to be ranked down in the listings on Google, which means that your customers will have a harder time finding you. So if you switch over to WP Engine, there's some really strong possibility that your rankings will go up. So you'll have more visitors, more potential customers, and really that's what we're looking for in a website. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them in the box below. Please click like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.